Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a very interesting video on hiding or showing a translucent selection rectangle in Windows 10. Let me show you what it is. This thing is a translucent selection rectangle, and if you wish to remove it, then search for performance in the Windows search bar. You'll find this option for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. You'll find the option which says show translucent selection rectangle. If this is unchecked, the rectangle is gone. If it is checked, the rectangle will be there. See, you don't see the rectangle once again. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.